How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add bracing in your Lychee Slicer. Now, adding bracing is going to be extremely simple. In order to do this, we need to navigate through the advanced shortcut. Unfortunately, we can only do this if you availed their premium subscription. But after adding your supports, you could do this by pressing Alt, Shift, and click on your keyboard. And basically from there, just simply press and hold on one of your supports, and basically you will be able to add your own bracing. And so once again, you only have the ability to do this if you build their premium subscription, which is basically going to be this one. And from there, you should be good to go. It's going to be Alt, Shift, and left click. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.